Wait, are you sure your job is safe from AI? Because what I'm about to show you will make you think twice. Artificial intelligence is moving faster than ever, automating, replacing, and transforming industries that once seemed untouchable. From offices to roads, from keyboards to cameras. AI isn't coming, it's already here. So today, we're counting down 10 jobs AI will completely take over by 2026. You're watching ToolLayer AI, Smart Tools. Smart You. Let's get started before AI edits this video itself. 1. Data Entry Clerks. Let's start with the most obvious, data entry clerks. AI systems can now process, sort, and categorize massive amounts of data faster than humans ever could. Tools like UiPath, Zapier AI, and TaskMagic automate everything: invoices, forms, customer lists, you name it. By 2026, repetitive keyboard work will be almost fully handled by bots, freeing humans to focus on decision-making. Instead of typing for hours, learn AI automation management, so you can supervise the bots instead of competing with them. 2. Customer service representatives. Next, customer service agents. AI chatbots like Intercom and Zendesk AI can now handle thousands of customer requests 24/7. They don't need breaks or salaries. They are now so advanced they can handle emotion, tone, and even sarcasm. Companies use ChatGPT-based assistants to manage 90% of customer interactions with zero human input. So next time you call support, don't be surprised if the person helping you isn't human. 3. Graphic designers. Design used to take hours. Now, AI tools like Ideogram, Canva Magic Studio, and Adobe Firefly create full marketing packs in seconds. AI won't kill design, but it's changing what being a designer means. Creativity is now more about prompts than pencils. Brands are using them to make social media content, product designs, and logos, all without hiring full-time designers. Quick question: if you could design your dream logo with AI in 5 minutes, would you still hire a designer? To stay relevant, designers should learn AI-enhanced creativity tools, guiding AI instead of being replaced by it. 4. Accountants and bookkeepers. Software like QuickBooks AI, FreshBooks, and Xero AI now handle expense tracking, tax prep, and financial summaries automatically. But accountants who learn AI data analysis will thrive, because businesses still need experts to interpret what the AI finds. 5. Cashiers and retail clerks. Self-checkouts and AI scanners are transforming retail. Stores like Amazon Go already operate without human cashiers. Every item is tracked automatically when you walk out. It's faster, cheaper, and error-free, making the role of traditional cashiers nearly extinct. Quick question: would you trust an AI checkout to handle your payment, no human involved? If you're in retail, move toward e-commerce management or AI logistics coordination. That's where human oversight still matters. 6. Drivers and delivery workers. Self-driving vehicles are no longer science fiction. Autonomous vehicles and delivery drones are becoming real faster than expected. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Zipline are leading the charge. No rest breaks, no overtime, just algorithms on autopilot. Instead of driving, the new opportunities are in AI fleet monitoring, drone operation, and maintenance. 7. Security guards. AI surveillance systems now detect threats faster than humans. With facial recognition, predictive analytics, and motion sensors, one AI camera can do the work of 10 guards. Expect to see more screens, and fewer uniforms, by 2026. Instead of security guards, why not advance yourself by learning AI surveillance monitoring? 8. Content writers and copywriters. Writers, beware, AI doesn't just write blog posts anymore, it writes entire brands. Tools like Copy.ai, Jasper, and ChatGPT now write blog posts, ads, and video scripts faster than humans. Many companies have already replaced teams of writers with a single AI editor. Quick question: do you think AI is replacing writers, or helping them earn more? I'd like to know. Please drop your answers in the comment section. Writers who learn prompt engineering and AI content optimization will dominate, because they know how to make AI write better. 9. Video editors. Even video editing is being automated. AI editors like Pika Labs and Runway ML can cut, color, add voiceovers, and export full clips automatically. Creators who master these tools will produce 10x faster, leaving traditional editors behind. 10. Researchers and analysts. Tools like Perplexity AI, Consensus, and ChatGPT Advanced Search are doing what used to take researchers weeks, in seconds. AI can summarize thousands of studies, generate reports, and find hidden patterns. That means analysts should now focus on AI interpretation, not manual research, translating insights into business strategy. So there you have it, 10 jobs AI will completely take over by 2026. But don't panic, AI isn't destroying jobs, it's transforming them. Those who learn how to use AI tools will lead, while those who ignore them risk falling behind. So here's your takeaway, don't fear the AI wave, ride it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe and discover the next wave of AI tools before everyone else. Subscribe to ToolLayer AI, Smart Tools, Smart You for more videos on AI tools, automation, and future-ready income streams. See you in the next video.